Pakistan lodges protests with India over ceasefire violations. UN urges Iraq to end violence against vulnerable people. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi has arrived in Niger to represent Pakistan at the OIC Council of Foreign Ministers meeting beginning tomorrow on Friday. UAE has temporarily stopped issuing new visas to citizens of 13 countries including Iran, Syria, Turkey, Tunisia, Lebanon, Somalia, Yemen and Pakistan. Turkey and Russia discuss involving other countries in Nagorno-Karabakh ceasefire efforts. Israel missile attack hit Syrian military targets. In Afghanistan, 6 policemen were wounded in a suicide attack in the southern Kandahar province. China expresses concern after India banned another 43 Chinese apps.